Hello, and welcome to another tutorial from ViewZen Labs on the Analytics platform. Today, we'll explore the formulae. Formulas in ViewZen Analytics are similar to expressions. These expressions act on individual rows and return one result per row, while formulas are aggregations that combine rows together and return a single result for a group of rows. In ViewZen Analytics, the visuals in the dashboard determine the granularities or dimensions on how the aggregations are to be performed, such as summing values, calculating averages, finding minimum and maximum values, and counting occurrences. Hence, formulas are said to have flexible aggregations. Now let's learn how to create a formula. To create a formula, first click on Formulae on the left navigation bar. This opens up a catalog of formulas. This catalog consists of lists of calculated fields, refers to formulae. Then we have to choose Create Formulae to open up the formula page. In this page, we can create the formulas for the desired datasets. Here we specify the formula name, set the default value in case no other value is given, choose the available datasets and datasets columns to create the formula. While selecting operands from the dataset column section, aggregation type has to be selected. Sum, average, min, max, and count aggregates dynamically based on the visual dimension. Overall sum, overall average, overall min, overall max, overall count aggregates for the full dataset and does not aggregate even if dimensions are provided on the visuals. Operators provided are exactly the same as those in any general expression. Formulas allow selecting operands from multiple datasets and add these operators as per our requirement to generate the formula. The operators available in ViewZen Analytics are numeric operators, Boolean operators, string operators, date operators, and branch statements. The numeric operator performs mathematical operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, etc. on numerical values, means constants, and variables. The Boolean operator are words and symbols such as and, or, not, greater than, less than, etc. that let us expand or narrow our search parameters when using a dataset or search engine. When we search using these operators, it is known as a Boolean search. The string operator represents the various types of operations that we can employ on the string type of the variables in the formula. The string operators available in ViewZen Analytics are concatenate, string constant. The date operator represents the date constant. The branch statements are used to change the flow of execution from one section of a program to another. Branching statements are typically utilized within control statements. We have two branch statements under this. First is if/else and second is switch statements. Now let's create a formula. To create a formula, first select an operator from the list of operators above. The operator with one or more boxes for operand will appear on the expression area. Then click on the blank boxes associated with the operator to choose the aggregated column. If we want to change the aggregate associated with the data fields, we can simply double-click on the operands in the expression area. A drop-down will appear on the left with data fields and the aggregate options. We can simply choose from there. Furthermore, if we need to filter the dynamic data that is displayed in the formula by appropriate conditions, we can use the Filter option. The Filter option can be accessed from the below right corner under the aggregate drop-down. Once we click the Add Filter icon, it will open the filter pane with a drop-down for choosing the data fields. To create a filter, click on the field name drop-down and then select the field name from the drop-down. As soon as we have selected the field and entered the value or range to be filtered, the filter will be saved. Moreover, we can exclude the given range of filtered values from being displayed in the formula by sliding the toggle button inside the filter configuration to the right. By default, the formula includes the filtered range. We can add any number of filters to our dynamic data by clicking on the plus icon on the right-hand side of the value. Any filter that is created will be applied to the respective dynamic fields used in the formula. Further, In the filter pane, we can view all the filters created and can also enable or disable any filter when required. Once we select all the operands for the formula, we have to choose the Evaluate option below the expression area to check whether the expression we have created is valid or not. The Remove option gets activated when we want an operand in the expression to be removed, and not the whole expression. In this case, we select the operand which we want to replace and then click on the Remove option. The Clear option clears the expression all at once. We should know that once we clear the expression, it is non-reversible. Now we have two options, either to save the formula or cancel the changes we have made till now. To save the formula, we choose the Save option present in the right-hand side on the screen. And if we want to cancel the changes, we simply click on the Cancel and then we will come out to the Formula Catalog page.